Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix create sticker not showing on Instagram. So if you guys didn't know, there is this feature where you can create a cutout sticker on Instagram story or using someone's post. But what if the cutout sticker feature not showing on your Instagram? So here I'm going to show you how you can fix that problem. First, you just need to close the Instagram apps on your phone, then go to the settings app, and in here you can just scroll down until you find the app settings. Tap on the apps, and then you can just open the Instagram app info or app settings in here, and then you can try to go to the storage and cache and try to clear the cache of the app, because sometimes a simple clearing up the cache steps here might solve your problem or might solve the bug on a certain app. Okay, you can try to clear the cache and open the Instagram again, but then if it still doesn't fix your problem, you can try to clear the storage, or you can also try to uninstall the Instagram app in here and then reinstall it again. And I'm suggesting you to restart your phone before you relog into your Instagram account. Okay, so after that, you can also you need to make sure that you've already on the latest version of Instagram. So you need to go to the Play Store, click on a search, and tap on the search at the top. Find Instagram in here, and you can see my Instagram needs to be updated. So you need to make sure that you've update the app if there's any update available, so that you don't miss any new feature on the Instagram app. Okay, now it's downloading the updates. Okay, after you done all the steps that I'm show you before, you can try to relaunch or open the Instagram app and see if the problem is fixed. But if you are on the iOS, then you need to offload the app. So you can go to the settings, storage, and offload the Instagram app. So that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial or solution will be helpful for you. That's how you can fix create cutout sticker not showing on your Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on the thanks, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.